Hey everybody, I'm here with Kyle Woosley, and we're about to play Connect4Charity.
That's right.
Are you ready?
I think so.
All right, let's go inside.
Hey everybody, I'm out here with Kyle Woosley, State Farm, and we are going to play hashtag Connect4Charity, getting ready for the event on Tuesday the 16th.
Yes. Yeah.
Appreciate you being involved. We are in your house.
Yes.
So I'm going to let you hashtag drop the checker first.
Check it. I like that.
All righty. And you know, my strategy here, Kyle, is to talk to you.
Okay.
To try to throw you off.
You've never had a problem with talking to people.
It's a little bit of a distractory there. Oh, see, I see you tried to get me there.
Yeah.
So the event is coming up April 16th, and it's going to be at Trent Bedding. Be sure to tune in. We'll be Facebooking live from there. Kyle, why did you decide to get involved with hashtag Connect4Charity?
Well, I mean, I like the fact that it's connecting to charities and stuff like that. I like the fact that we're kind of changing and having different ones throughout this with month to month according to the winners and y'all's drawings of it. But I think that's just kind of what we do here at State Farm. I mean, It's about building relationships with our customers. I like that with State Farm we get to be involved with the community and you know, I think this kind of just parallels it very well.
Awesome. Well, hashtag Save the Depot
Yes.
is what we've been talking about there. And I'm going to block you there, Kyle. I know that you were talking there. Maybe you were trying to do some distractory for me.
I was.
And look, see, I thought I had him there, and he goes ahead and he gets me there and blocks me. But guys, April 16th at Trent Bedding, will be out there from 9 to 4. And we look forward to you guys coming in and are watching us on Facebook Live. And guys, guess what just happened? A little distractory there. Connect4. How about that?
That was a little distracting.
Thanks for playing.
Absolutely.
We'll see you April 16th out at Trent Bedding. I think you're playing at 4 o'clock.
Yes, wouldn't miss it.
All right, good deal.
There every time.
All right, you are there every time, and we
time.
appreciate it. Stay tuned. Hashtag Save the Depot.